Right, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, it's time. Time to keep on, keep it on. Joe Dirt. Okay, this sound does not fit in here at all. But maybe if we go directly to this drop, it might work. No, that did not work as expected. Okay, so I think instead of this Anarchy 99, we maybe need something a little bit more. Something a little bit more upbeat. Need a good sequence.
Instant assis, psychostime, instant assis technique, psychostimance, 303 danse, instant assis dans.
Super strange and weird, but let's see what this comes out to. We can probably get it going from right here.
Danse, instant assis danse.
Nope.
303 danse.
Take a little trance drift, transition here, I guess. see if that's worth the buildup. Almost, it's very close. This might be it, but okay. So we're actually gonna leave this, but we're gonna find a it needs more of a kick. So we're gonna add a kick to it. We're gonna create a new, we'll call this new synth, we'll call this Anarchy 99 kick, followed by the pattern Anarchy 99 kick. I'll pop it in right here underneath it. And the kick can probably just be a standard 4 steps or 1 bar. We're gonna start the kick with a C4 key. This we're gonna extend to double the length, which would be right here. And we're probably gonna go to a different key. Let's just say, for now, we'll just go up 1. Don't know where my keyboard is. We'll just go up right here for now. And for the kick, let's see what kind of kick we can put together. This shouldn't have a, oh, maybe actually. This should be this. Perfect. Alright, we want a nice kick. We're gonna start this off right here with the the sound I do like, but it doesn't I don't know if it's gonna be good right off the bat, because it is a riser, so we might have to come back to this later. Actually, you know what, because where'd it go? It's literally just here. Perfect. We're gonna keep this here for laters. Gonna create well, we're gonna rename this riser RZR. We're gonna rename this to riser. We're gonna clone this to go back to finding our kick. Now we're gonna name this kick, and we're gonna create a new pattern called anarchy 99 kick. And we are going to pop in that pattern right here, stretch it out to the width of this. Well, that's probably going to be going on the whole way. Open up the piano roll, add a C4 key to it. And now we go back to where we started. Okay, this bass I do like a lot. But we do kind of hear it overshadowing the other sound entirely. Okay, let's see if this works. And if so, we're probably going to want to do this a little bit differently. We're going to want 2 of these, and then 1 of these here. So we're going to extend it out like that. And then we might reintroduce that later on. Range. didn't come out like I expected. Perfect. Sounds delightful. We're gonna want an automation clip right here. Okay, we're gonna want an automation clip right here, bar 720, 719 on this. We're gonna narrow this out, right click, go back to 719. We're gonna pop it in right there, and then narrow this out. We can probably keep the width this long. We might need to use it later on again, but basically when this sound ends, we want this to go up in volume, so we're gonna keep it like that. And right here, no, we don't want to do that. We want it to, there we go, we want it to go straight up like that to 100. So actually, what we can do is we can keep the volume of this all the way up, right? And then keep this at, say, whatever it sounded like here. So feels like about 40%, which means this needs to be at 40%. It also doesn't need to be this long because we're not doing much. There we go, we want something like that. Nope. Okay, that's not doing anything, so we're gonna just do one of these. I don't know why this is so long. Okay, so we're gonna want this to start out at 40%. Right now we're looking up here. So it's at 38. Move it up to, it's jumping between 38 and 42, so we're gonna leave it at 42. And then we want it to just go up pretty drastically like that by the time it's here. Ideally, we want it to go up like that. exactly when, not even like that, more like just want it to be a straight bar up. I forget how we did this. Perfect time to autosave, FL. Many thanks. Just want it to be a straight shot up. It's not really letting us do it. But I guess that's as good as it's gonna get, and we are okay with that. Oh, that's right, maybe right, then boom, just had to right click where you wanted it to go, and that was easy. Okay, that actually wasn't easy, but we found a way. Okay, now let's see how this all comes together. Definitely need some more weird effect sounds in here. So we're gonna do that now. Okay, this riser had no effects. Probably because these two were going through two different. No, neither of them actually have anything on it. Could barely hear the sound of this because the volume of this one was turned all the way up, but we'll figure that out later. For now, we are going to add some gnarly FX sounds to right here because it just sounded a little bit empty. So we can open up the piano roll, add a C4 notes, C4 key, note, whatever, to the roll, and then we're gonna build our FX sound. We want something trancy. FX anyone? FX. Not weird enough. This might be good. This might be good too. Let's see which one of these hits better. it sounded like this FX track was actually playing the riser, which is strange. This is what it should have been playing. See, it's playing the riser. It shouldn't be doing that. So this should be playing not the riser, but should be playing the FX sound. That's what it should be playing. That's right. Nope, that's not right. So we're gonna remove that. We're gonna recreate this over here and see what it's playing now. Nope, still playing that. So we're gonna remove this FX sound altogether. We already have our synthesizer. We're gonna delete this pattern. We're gonna copy its name with Control C. We're gonna delete that. And we are going to create a new pattern called Anarchy 99FX. Before we actually do that, we're going to open up this synth to make sure that it gets matched with the correct synth. So we play this over here. We're going to pop open the piano roll. We're going to add a C4 key to it, and now it should be groovy. We probably want this volume to stay high, so at least this. Seems to be a little bit too low. We're gonna have this at, let's just say 42%, 50%. It's too soon for this to come in. We'll have this maybe come in right there. This needs two different sounds at least. the other effects sound in here as well. Keep the trance flow going. This one we can just leave at FX. FX, we wanted to fit in here, so we're gonna just do FX2. We're gonna open up, this is our new synth. We're gonna open up a new pattern, FX2, pop it in right there. And since this is the same sound, we could probably just, do that instead. But for this one, we're gonna use this. FX2, perfect. And maybe we can alternate between these two, so we can have a 1, 2, 3, 4. Didn't make the sound I wanted it to. Okay, we're gonna add another FX sound. Call this one FX3. And then we're gonna go into the riser. Control C this, create the new pattern. Create the piano. We're gonna pop in the pattern right here first, 4 bars, back to back. Open up the piano roll, add a C4 to it. this is good. We need to maybe have a couple of these build-ups before actually running the riser all the way through. We are gonna extend this out a little bit longer because we know the riser goes on. I'm gonna go this long. Let's just stretch it out. We're gonna go to the full length, another bar, and we're gonna wrap it up right there. Cali out.